Hello guys, Victor Isibor here. Just a quick one before I go to church. Draw your ears. Draw it. Stop sending money to strangers you meet online. Myself inclusive. Don't send money to people you don't know personally. You have not met personally. It doesn't matter who they are. They can be YouTubers. They can be so-called mentors, business mentors. They can be influencers, whatever. Do not send money to random strangers. Don't. Rule number 1, don't. Even if you must send, insist on sending to a bank account that carries their names, so that in case anything happens, you can trace them and you can have proof that links them to that transaction. You don't want to send money to a stranger and they are giving you a Bitcoin address, an Ethereum address, a USDT address. Do not send money to people, myself inclusive. If you are chatting with somebody that claims to be Victor Isibor and is telling you invest and earn so and so returns on a daily basis, you are not chatting with Victor Isibor. That should be Vulture Isibor. Unfortunately, we don't have any vulture in my family, so you're chatting with a vulture, okay? If the business or proposal is not on this YouTube channel, you did not get it on this YouTube channel, I made a video about it, and I put the link in the description of my video, like there's an offer in the description of this video right now, in the description of this video right now, then it is not me. I do not promote investment platforms that pays you returns on a daily basis. I don't do it. Invest and earn in the next 48 hours. It is not me. I don't do that. See, any public figure, the moment you are doing something right, you are known. Scammers will imitate you. Imitation scam is an old time thing. Go on Facebook now and type Ramsey Noah Jr. You will see more than 500 profiles. Only one real Ramsey Noah. The other ones are imitators. Go and search Wizkid on Instagram. Only one Wizkid. The rest of them are imitations. So be careful. A friend of mine is telling me that he is dating Thames. Thames is his girlfriend now. Which Thames? He said the Thames I know. That one you are dating is not Thames that I know. You are dating terms and conditions. It's not the terms that I know. He was even saying, I sent her $100 yesterday. You are sending money to a random boy somewhere. See, if you must send money to somebody who claims to be somebody, tell them, give me your bank account details that carries the exact name of that celebrity you claim to be. And even after that, insist on a video call. If somebody tells you he is Victor Isibor, send me money, or they are making you a ridiculous offer, invest and start earning so and so percentage every 24 hours. Do a video call. Let me see how they want to transplant my face on their face. Insist on a video call. And when they come on that video call, because AI, artificial intelligence, is very dangerous, they can go and transport my face and put on their own. Tell them to do funny things. Tell them to speak Benin. Tell them to sing a song in Benin like this. In Benin. And for a confirmation, now tell them to sing a song in Yoruba. Another song in Yoruba. O ṣé o Jésù, a ó máa yìn ọ́. O ṣé o Jésù, Ọlọ́run ayọ̀ wa. O ṣé o Jésù, a ó máa yìn ọ́. Those are the two dialects that I speak for confirmation. Okay? The first thing, send me an account number that carries the full names. Okay? The second thing, let us do a video call. The third thing, sing a song in Yoruba, speak Benin, be double sure. Don't even worry. The moment the person claims to be me and the person is telling you invest and earn so and so on a daily basis, it is not me. Because every public figure, has somebody that is imitating them. I do not stand for make money online opportunities that ask you to bring your capital and they will be paying you returns. Make money online opportunities that you have withdrawal days. They keep your money hostage and they are telling you withdrawal days and they are giving you terms and conditions for withdrawal. That is not me. The business opportunity in the description of this video, your money stays with you. If you know my style, I promoted Tavabot. I'm promoting this one too. Your money stays with you, and it grows in your pocket. That way, nobody has the opportunity or chance to run away with your money. If you want to learn anything, stop buying ebooks and paying for courses. These guys just download random, useless information in PDF format. You pay them and they send them to you. That thing that they are sending to you is even useless to them. They also got it from somewhere. Now they have the reseller rights to resell the rubbish to other people. You say you are a Forex mentor, but all you do is advertise Forex courses that you want to teach people and send ebook to them. Oga, are you making money actively trading Forex, or you are making money actively selling Forex courses? These are two different things. All those gurus that you see, there's a popular guy now that is scamming people, claiming to be helping them build Shopify stores, collecting money from people. The moment you pay him for the Shopify store, he blocks you. There is a couple that lives abroad. They will make videos and show you refrigerators. They will show you expensive things. They say this refrigerator is going for 500 naira in naira, but you have to pay for the shipping. Send us the money, we will send it to you. You send them money, they block you. They will show you an expensive car. They will tell you it's going for just 50,000 naira. Send us the money. After you send it, they block you. Stop sending money to people. If you are in doubt, do not send money to people. Make a simple video call confirming the identity of the person. Even after confirming the identity of the person, use your head. Use your head. If it sounds too good to be true, 9 times out of 10, it is a lie. Be smart. Be smart. We are building a community of smart people. You can make money online without sending your capital to people. Okay, the company making you that offer, they need to make some money too. Okay, you may pay a yearly subscription to them, but that your trade capital, your seed, it remains in your pocket and it grows there. If you have such an opportunity, why are you sending money to people? Tell me why you want to send money to people. Because the moment you send your capital to people, they have that capital, they have the opportunity to Ponzify the system. Your entire capital is with them. They pay you a little percentage from your money as returns. And in your head, you say it is working. No, it's not working. You put 1 million naira in a system, and at the end of the month, they give you 100,000 naira, which is just 10%, and you're saying it is working. Come on, bro. They still have 900,000 of your money held in hostage that they are circulating and Ponzifying within the system. Stop sending capital to people. There's an opportunity in the description of this video that your money stays with you in your wallet and they grow it for you. Just pay a little annual subscription fee. That's all. Okay? Some of the ladies watching me in this video now, some of them will think that they are dating Davido. They will think that they are dating Davido. You are dating Dauda. Because scammers don't sleep. Any opportunity to make money, they grab it. Even some influencers, I have never sold any course on my YouTube channel. Whatever knowledge I have, I impart it for free. I've never told you I have an ebook, come and buy. No. If you want to make money from Shopify e-commerce, there are step-by-step detailed videos that you can watch that can enable you to build your own e-commerce store. Why do you have to send money to anybody? We are in an internet age. There are several billions of content creators whose job is to teach you one thing or the other. Although some influencers will pretend they want to teach you something, they will whet your appetite. At the end of the day, they'll say, pay me money and I will show you. See, they don't know that thing that they want to send to you. They are not gurus. Majority of the materials they want to send to you, they are not the authors. They downloaded them. Robert Kiyosaki's book, they will download it in PDF format and they will start reselling it. Be smart, guys. Stop sending money to people. Stop. Stop. I am Victor Isibor. I will not ask you to invest and start getting ROI on a daily or weekly basis. That's not me. That's not me. It is not in my principle. How did you even know Victor Isibor? You know me because I speak against dumping money in an idle platform, sitting back like a lazy man or woman expecting returns. That's not me. Thank you for watching this video. Share this video, please. Share it. Share it. Let everybody see it. Let it go viral. Let us kill Ponzi schemes before the end of this year. I'll see you in the next one. It's bye for now.